India's agriculture sector is undergoing a technological transformation and the Kisan drone is at the center of this change. It is promoted by the Government of India and highlighted during the Kisan Drone Mahotsav 2022 by Narendra Modi. Kisan drones are designed to modernize farming through precision spraying, crop monitoring and faster farm to market connectivity. Kisan drone features. Kisan drones are advanced unmanned aerial vehicles specially designed for agricultural operations such as spraying, crop monitoring and field mapping. Equipped with a chemical tank for spraying pesticide, insecticide and liquid fertilizers, carrying capacity generally ranges between 5 kg to 10 kg depending on the model. Capable of spraying 1 acre of land in approximately 15 minutes, saving time and labor. Ensures uniform and controlled spraying, reducing the chemical wastage. Operates using GPS-based navigation for accurate field coverage. Supports automated flight paths for pre-programmed routes. Reduces direct exposure of farmers to harmful chemicals. Improving safety. Can be used for crop health monitoring and damage assessment. Assist in land mapping and digitization of records under schemes like Swamitwa scheme. Impact on agriculture. The introduction of Kisan drone has brought a technological shift in Indian agriculture by promoting precision farming and reducing manual dependency. The impact of Kisan drone scheme in agriculture are increases crop productivity through accurate and timely spraying of pesticides and nutrients, ensures uniform application of chemicals leading to better crop health and balanced growth, reduces labor dependency especially during peak agriculture seasons, saves time by covering large areas quickly compared to manual spraying, minimizes farmers' exposure to harmful pesticides, improving health and safety, helps in early detection of crop diseases, pest attacks and nutrient deficiencies, supports faster crop damage assessment during floods, droughts or natural disasters, assist in agricultural insurance claim verification through aerial surveys. Kisan drone challenges. While Kisan drones offer significant potential to modernize Indian agriculture, their large-scale adoption faces practical and structural hurdles. High initial cost. Agricultural drones are expensive for individual farmers. Costs include the purchase price, batteries, spare parts and maintenance. Small and marginal farmers may not afford them without subsidies. Limited awareness in rural areas. Many farmers are unaware of the benefits and operation of drones. Lack of demonstration projects reduces confidence in the technology. Skill and training gap. Operating drones require technical knowledge and certified training. Rural youth need structured training programs to become licensed drone pilots. Regulatory and compliance issues. Drone users must follow aviation rules and airspace restrictions. Obtaining permissions and registrations may be time consuming. Connectivity and digital infrastructure problems. Poor internet connectivity in rural areas affect real-time monitoring. Lack of digital literacy limits effective utilization of drone data. Battery life and technical limitations. Limited battery backup restricts a coverage area per flight. Technical malfunctions may delay operations during peak farming season. Weather dependency, strong winds, rains, or extreme temperatures can disrupt drone operations. Weather unpredictability affects scheduling of spraying activities. Income uncertainty. Experts question whether drones alone can significantly increase farmers' income. Market price fluctuation may offset productivity gains. Unequal benefit distribution. Concerns exist that agrochemical companies may benefit more from increased spraying without proper regulation. Overuse of chemicals may occur. Way forward: increase government subsidies and financial assistance for small marginal farmers to make drones affordable. Promote drone service through farmer producer organizations and cooperative societies to enable shared usage. Establish dedicated drone training and certification centers in rural areas to build technical skills among youth. Integrate drone data with agriculture advisory systems for better crop planning and pest management. Improve rural digital infrastructure including high-speed internet connectivity to support real-time monitoring. Encourage public-private partnerships to reduce cost and promote innovation in agricultural drone technology. Provide easy access to credit facilities for purchasing and maintaining drones. Develop clear and farmer-friendly regulatory guidelines for drone operations. Promote research and development to improve battery life, payload capacity and weather resistance.